Hello, welcome to another video here on my channel. So this video is a follow-up video in which I will delve deeper into the custom input component that I created last time. So I changed a little bit the password input component that I created. So here I just have a simpler component that I called a custom input. And the goal of this video is to show that while reusable component is great, when it comes to component with the input element, it's better to do a projection rather than trying to encapsulate the input element directly in the component. So here I have this custom input component. So I'm calling this component here. So I'm using this component twice, and then I want to have different placeholder. So if you see here, we only have placeholder, this placeholder first, and this placeholder another one are not shown. And the reason is that if I want this placeholder to be shown, I'll have to bind a placeholder to an input property here. So let's do that. And for the binding to take place, I have to use this one. So now the placeholder is shown properly. And if I also want to have the ID1 and ID2 directly on this input, I'll have to do the same thing here as well. And I also have for the binding. Now if you inspect this element, I will see that here is this ID1 and here is the ID2 that is set. But the better way to achieve this one is instead of having this input here directly is to have instead an ng content. So we should set an ng content here, which means here we can call directly our input. Obviously, there is no binding on the placeholder since we are using the input itself. And then here we call it first. And for the ID, call it ID1. Now we have the ID2. So we no need to have this attribute directly on the custom input since we are using the input directly at the inside uh, the custom input. So no need to have these input properties here. So by having this projected input rather than encapsulating this input, we can leverage all the attribute of the input. And I find this way of dealing with input component better in terms of reusability. Otherwise, one will have to have as many input properties as there are attributes. And it makes it harder to use this custom input component. So this is just what I wanted to show in this small video, and I hope you like it. And if you have other ideas about what you how you write your custom input component, just let me know in the comment below, and then I will be glad to have a look at it. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for another video.